So as you can see here, I did something very stupid with my table saw, and yeah, let's see what happened. So what I was trying to do was to cut this piece here. This is acrylic glass, and I had to remove some thickness to it, and I decided that it was a very good idea to do it on the table saw, but it wasn't. So I was holding the piece like this. My left hand pushed it against the fence, like so. And my right hand was pushing the piece into the blade. So you see, this is a very sharp piece because it's acrylic glass and the edges are very sharp. And that was the first problem. The second problem is that this material tends to catch the blade. And that's exactly what happened. So as I pushed the piece into the blade, it grabbed. As you can see, it made a mess on the piece. And it shot it at my hand. And my hand was back here. I was holding the piece like so, I think, because I don't really remember. And I think that this edge here just plowed into my finger, and it actually peeled off a piece of skin. And so this is what happened. A kickback, a pretty bad one actually, and a couple of injured fingers, actually 4, because I have 2 minor bruises here, and a big scare, mostly, I hope. And yeah, this is what happened. So this happened about half an hour ago, and I hope the bleeding stops, because now it's not a very good time to go to the ER room because of COVID, and that's not a very good place to go right now. I think I'll be fine actually, but the cut on my index finger is a bit deep, and yeah, I'm a bit worried now. This was basically an impossible cut to make on the table saw, and I knew it, and I did it anyway. The funny thing is that I always try to use a push block like this, or push sticks, which I have down here, very easy to reach, or even this new one that I made recently, and yet I did this cut without any kind of protection. I still don't understand how it happened, but yeah. I'm an idiot, because I even have one of these things, it's a push block basically. I had all the tools to make a safe cut. I knew it was a dangerous cut, and I did it anyway, and I hurt myself. So learn from my mistake, and don't be stupid like me, okay?